We got the dual Hobb 450 low pressure fuel pump with a Hobb switch. These are all the connections and wires to hook it up. The Hobb switch is going to go into the manifold or the air intake. Once the pressure in there builds up to about 15 psi, the second pump will kick on. This is the little nozzle pressure switch that goes into the, either we're gonna put it in charge pipe, or it's gonna go in the manifold. Once this reaches about 15 psi, the second 450 pump will kick on. These are all the wirings for it. Connects to the battery, onto the top of the hat of the low pressure fuel pump. This is the fuel pump. My low pressure fuel pump with the dual Hobb 450s. You can see we got the two 450s right there. Precision. The top of the hat, all the plugs and connections. Gotta disconnect these. You're gonna need this tool. Get this the fuel lid off, the fuel pump lid off. Yeah, that's the part number right there. It's gonna be the locking ring tool.